Today I'm going to show you a towel folding technique that will be a game changer for you. After this video, you will not want to fold your towels any other way. I'm going to save you so much time with this, and your bathroom and your house is going to look amazing. By the way, don't you just love these? They're so beautiful. And I also got this candle from Walmart recently. It's like a wood fire at your fingertips. Not to mention it smells so yummy. We have 6 people in this family, so I need a lot of great ways to save space. And you can imagine we go through a ton of towels, but I also want it to look cute. We legit use these, and what's really nice is in your bath, you can just go ahead and put this on your neck as a nice brace. Yes, you don't need to spend money on anything for your bathtub rendezvous. And this also makes it fun for your kids and spouse to put things where they go. Let me show you another space saving hack. Look at in here. I can fill this up with so many towels. Right here, I have just 7 towels alone, and I have so much more space to add towels. Oh, and you may have seen a similar hack to this one floating around the internet, but this one is much quicker and it works every single time. Because trust me, I tried all the hacks on the internet before I bring them to you. Now I'm gonna show you one that you've seen probably floating around the internet. You take your towel, however I don't love this because you need more surface area in order to do this. You have it laying flat, and then you create a triangle with your towel like so. You need to make sure everything is perfectly straight. Then you're gonna go ahead and pull this side over. So we got this weird looking triangle over here. Now here's the next part. You have to flip this whole structure and make sure everything stays in place in order for this towel folding hack to work. All right, the next thing, we're gonna fold this end over about halfway. That way we don't have to roll as often. And here we go. Now this certainly does look cute, but it takes more time. And you want to make sure that you can do your laundry in an efficient amount of time. And you can see right here, it's not perfectly symmetrical. Okay, I'm going to show you this 2 times. Again, game changer right here. The first time I'm going to do it slower, and then the second time I'm going to show you how fast I do this in real time. So you're going to take your towel, just came out of the dryer, freshly fluffed, smelling delicious. By the way, if you need a good whitening hack, I'm going to link that in the description box below. So just go ahead and fold your towel in half like you typically would, and then lay it flat on your bed or your surface or whatever place that you like to fold your laundry. Now you can notice here on the top I have the tag. I like to keep the tag at the top for a very specific reason. I'll show you here in a second. All right, we're just gonna fold a triangle. You see that? We're gonna take the bottom right here and we're just gonna pull this over. Perfect. Now it's best if you have these edges lined up nicely. Now you're just gonna fold. Fold, make it as tight as you want. I think the tighter, the better. And you're gonna leave a little bit of this out right here, you can see. And this is where you're gonna tuck it right into the towel. My goal is to save you time and space. And look at that, it's great. You can bounce it around. It's nice, taut together. Now this time, let's time me and see how quickly that I can do this. And I will show you in real life how fast I fold these towels because I don't want to make more work for you. Okay, I just pulled my towel out. I'm just gonna fold it in half. Again, I'm gonna have the tag here on my top left. I'm a lefty, so that's where I like it. I'm gonna fold it in a triangle. I'm gonna fold it in half. I'm just kind of straightening as I go. Roll, 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 roll. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it in tightly into the sleeves, just like so. You have a perfectly rolled Tootsie Roll. All right, click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.